Hi everyone, it's me Pau and welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been a week since I posted my first ever vlog here in my YouTube channel because lately I'm not feeling well, that's why I didn't post any vlogs. As you can see, I posted short videos only. But for today's video and for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you an Indian typical wedding here in India. And this is my first time to attend some wedding function. So if you ever wonder what it's like to be part of Indian wedding, watch my videos until the end. As you can see from this video, medyo na-culture shock ako kasi dito sa groom side, yung mga relatives niya, they are dancing while walking. So, it took them 1.5 hours to reach the stage. So, yeah. Yun lang naman. It's a, what? Hi guys, that's all for today's video. Sorry I didn't have enough videos to show because we stayed there for almost 1.5 hours only and we need to go back home, which is like it took us 6 hours journey to reach home. Like, yes, mas mahaba pa yung biniyahe namin kaysa sa pinagstay namin sa wedding function. Like, our total journey we had is like 12 hours journey because super traffic. Guys, alam nyo yung Delhi, parang crime talaga ang pagpunta ng Delhi. Sobrang traffic. Like, kalahating araw. Like, the normal, yung normal ng haba ng biyahe papuntang Delhi mula dito sa amin, like 4 hours only. Pero binabot kami ng 6 hanggang 7 oras, marating lang yung Delhi. Imagine how tiring it is. So, yeah, babawi na lang ako next video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.